Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable skill effects on the Cookie Run Kingdom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is my cookie farm or village, and you can find different buttons in the screen. Go to the three line at the upper right corner of the screen and you can find the settings button. In the game performance section you can find the skill video button, and if you want to turn off, just click to the off button, and if it will be turned green, this function will be disabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.